Dillon, coming to you live from the Dillon compound. Got little Dick here today. Say hi, Dick. Good boy, good boy. Today, we're gonna baptize little Dick. God knows he needs it. Don't you, bud? He's excited. Put my beer down. All right, buddy. You ready? You ready, buddy? You ready, little Dick? Yes. He's a good boy. All right, little Dick. Got you here in this bath of holy water. Well, a horse trough full of rainwater, we'll call it. But it was brought by the heavens, for goodness sake. Yes, oh, he loves that. Look, look. What? Jemima squint when I rub him ears. He loves that. Good boy. Oh, it's a come to Jesus, ain't it, buddy? Yes. He's a good boy. Good boy. Well, hopefully, this wonderful rainwater from heaven will cleanse you of all your sins, like chasing my truck down the driveway when I leave for work, and humping the neighbor's dog out in the street, and all that good stuff. Yeah, he's a good boy. Yeah, he's ready to make a change, ain't you, buddy? Good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, he is. He's a good boy. And hopefully the flea and tick shampoo that I put in there will help with some of them damn dog ticks, man. They're biggest full-grown cats. We take care of them too, won't we, bud? Yes, sir, buddy. Okay, buddy, you ready? Here we go. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Pooch. You be cleansed, buddy. There you go. How you feel, bud? How you feel? Huh? It's so hot you won't stay in there, don't it? Yeah. You can cut loose. Just want to camp out? You like the holy water? Yes, he does. He's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Just wanted to share that. Y'all have a good one.